Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply forward restricted content on Telegram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, now we will simply start our video. For the matter of first, access your Telegram in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, here in this section you're going to find this kind of interface. So this applies for all of the contents that you want to forward, including the restricted ones. So let's say you do have a content from over here that you would like to forward. You can simply go ahead, tap and long press on that one and tap on this forward option, which is just given right below the corner. If I tap on this, now I will be able to choose any of the accounts or groups that I want to forward it to. I can simply tap on it and I will tap on the send, and now that particular message will be forwarded to that group of people. Right, so that is the way you can simply go ahead, forward any of the restricted contents on Telegram to anybody or any group. So yeah, this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.